Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a quick tune-up report for Dallas and Kansas on the Stryker SR-655. Dallas, got you ready to go, bud? Our tune alignment and voltage regulator upgrade. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Get you set about 2 watts so you get full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Roll it all the way up, 20 watts. Average power swing. Hello, we'll call it 47 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. About 98 watts. Let's roll it all the way down. Hello, still about 98 watts. All right, Dallas, it's ready to come to you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.